Hello, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys, where we teach the little guy and girl how to utilize charts to manage their own trades and investments. What do I mean by the little guy and girl? Well, we just had two directives signed halting the implementation of a rule that requires financial advisors to act in the best interests of their client. Let that sink in a little bit. The big wigs on Wall Street can play with your retirement and hard-earned money without your best interests at heart. We currently have hundreds of members taking charge of their financial future, and we would love for you to come check out a free week with no credit card required to see if our services would be beneficial on your path to financial independence as well. What we offer, we have a separate course of over 5 hours in length on when to enter and exit positions. And in terms of what we do daily, we have nightly videos, key levels updated each morning before the bell, 2.5 hours of live daily webcam coverage in the morning and in the afternoon, and over 7 hours of educational videos. All of these links can be found in the description of this video. Come check us out. Thanks for watching. Let's get on to the technical analysis. Hello, natural gas friends. So when we last left off, we had our bull break on convincing bull volume. We had healthy consolidation, which had us looking for continuation. This was the start of the confidence in the bulls in the oversold bounce. And we got that continuation today with some further upside. And now we're still seeing healthy consolidation. The range is tightening. We have our high, low, lower high, higher low, lower high. A break is imminent within the next 3 hours or so, I would say. So this is going to occur overnight. So I would look at key support of 2773. Bulls want to hold that. And resistance is 2804. Bears or bulls want to break that. Highest price we've seen, 282. Let's try that again, 2828. And if we break that level, we get continuation to the upside. So we do now have on the daily time frame a higher low and a higher high on this bounce. But the bulls are not out of the woods, and it's this 10-day moving average resistance. It rejected a bounce attempt back in mid-February, and here we are again. It's at 282, and it's dropping. It's going to be at about 280 tomorrow. We rejected from that today. If we close above that tomorrow, we are going to look for a bullish MACD cross and some nice continuation. We have the inventory report tomorrow. So pretty much the inventory report is going to squash this bounce and drive the price back down to 265, or it's going to be fuel that the bulls need to get over the 10-day moving average, see the daily bullish MACD cross, and the next resistance is up at 2913. So bulls still looking good here after that bullish day yesterday, giving some conviction, and now we're looking for some follow through, but again, it depends on the fundamentals of that inventory report. UNG on the daily time frame, the high originally was 678 on the bounce, and we hit 680, so slightly higher. We've got our higher low and higher high, same thing on the verge of the bullish MACD cross. Still an oversold bounce at this point, but the target can be 714 at this point. That is the gap to fill initially. And the weekly time frame, that bullish reversal doji from last week, we're on our way to confirming it now. If we see a close above 678 this week, that's going to be nice confirmation, and we'll be looking for that 714 gap fill. So a short-term oversold bounce at this point. Higher low in place. Now we've got our higher high. Natural gas just needs that 10-day moving average resistance as support. Let's check out some other time frames. Natural gas weekly is a bullish reversal candlestick. It's an inside candlestick compared to last week. So next week, we'll be looking for a green week to confirm this and see some continuation. Seeing where we came from, we could see a move fairly easily back up to $2.90, maybe even $3 if the bulls have a lot of strength behind this move. But as of right now, one step at a time, 10-day moving average resistance on natural gas needs to become support tomorrow with a bullish reaction to the inventory report. So I appreciate you watching. Look for that break. And if you're already in a position, I'm sure you're going to be interested in that break. But that hourly time frame is going to see a break soon. And I know that because volume is dropping off and we are seeing a tightening range reaching an equilibrium. So that break is within a couple of hours. And I will see you all tomorrow after hours. Thanks for watching.